So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I gonna show that how to fix Play Store apps error that's not working or installing. So guys, if you new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like comment in my video. So guys, what you have to do, first of all let's start our video without wasting our time. After doing the first of all you open your setting in your mobile, and here you can search a Google Play Store, or simply here you can search a apps option. So guys, click on this apps, and after doing in the search bar option you click on Google Play Store. So guys, you can see the fourth option is Google Play Store. Click on this. When you click on this, first of all you guys, the option is permission. Click on this permission option, and what you have to do, click on this SMS, and what you have to do, you click on allow. So I have already allow, and the option is storage. So guys, allow this. I have already allow. And the third option is telephone, so allow this. When after doing this allow, you go back and the option of storage, click on this, and what you have to do, first of all you clear the cache, and after doing clear the data. So guys, when both tasks is complete, simply you go back your home screen and again open your setting, and in the search bar option you type here unknown apps. So guys, search unknown apps, click on this, and here you can see guys the option is allow app while data server on. So guys, click on this, and here you can see a lot of option. All option is not enabled. So guys, scroll down, and here you can see the option is Google Play Store. So guys, enable this Google Play Store, and go back your home screen, and what you have to do, you open your Play Store app. So guys, I hope all your problem will be solved.